Hello and welcome. My name is Helena, but most people call me Helena. I'm a fine artist, a surface pattern designer, and a professor who really loves teaching. I opened this channel as a space where I can share everything I know with openness, curiosity, and love for the creative process. Over the past year, I've been developing a complete curriculum in surface pattern design, and it will be on this channel where I will be sharing this journey with you step by step. We'll begin with the foundations of color, understanding value, color harmony, and how to build your personal color palettes with intention. In many of these lessons, we'll explore concepts and ideas together, and we'll move directly into hands-on exercises so you can practice and explore with what you're learning. We'll look into surface pattern design composition. We'll learn how patterns are structured and how to create rhythm, balance, and flow in your designs. We'll also learn about surface pattern design history across cultures and time, from ancient traditions to design movements that still inspire artists today. After that, we'll play more in depth with hands-on exercises. I'll show you how to create your pattern repeats on paper using the cutting and folding methods. And then how to translate your creations into digital using tools like Procreate and Illustrator. So you can create your professional patterns yourself. My hope is that this channel becomes a space where artists, designers, and curious creatives can learn, explore, experiment, play, and grow their skills together. If this resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe and to start with the first lesson in the curriculum. Thank you for being here. I'm truly excited to share this journey with you. Until next time.